Hi, I'm Rick Rawson, President of Adventist Health and Rideout. I'm here today because I want to talk about a significant concern that we have at Adventist Health and Rideout regarding the resurgence of COVID-19 in our community. Today in our hospital we have 21 patients, a number we have not seen since our surge earlier this year and as high as we were during our surge last summer. This is of significant concern because we have had vaccines available. And what we're seeing with the spread of the new Delta variant is a much more rapidly spreading disease than we saw in the past. It's impacting younger people. And what we're seeing is a significant percentage of the people that we see in the hospital and in our ICU and of those passing away are unvaccinated individuals. This is disproportionately impacting those that are unvaccinated. And here in Yuba and Sutter counties, our vaccination rate are some of the lowest in the state. What that means is that puts all of us at significant risk. It puts our economy at risk, it puts our businesses at risk, and it puts our healthcare workers at risk. From what we're seeing in the community right now is in terms of people testing positive and coming with early COVID symptoms, we expect to see our hospitalization rate in the next 7 to 10 days to start going up significantly. This is mirroring what we're seeing throughout the state. A friend of mine in Florida recently talked about how they're seeing numbers in their part of Florida higher than they saw at any point during any surge in the past. And we do not want to get into that situation here in the Yuba Sutter community. What's unique this time is we do have a vaccine available. We tried to make that widely available across the community, but less than half of the eligible people to get the vaccine have received it. This is a significant opportunity for us to put the brakes on the spread of this disease and make a difference. In the past, all we had was masking and trying to help people with hospitalization. Today, we have much more effective tools, and what we're seeing around the country with numbers in excess of 90% of people in hospitals and facing mortality from COVID-19 are unvaccinated. Those are significant numbers and validating the effectiveness of this vaccine. I understand there's many in our community that are concerned or have questions. But what I can tell you is that the risk of not getting vaccinated far outweigh the risks of getting vaccinated, not just for yourselves, but for our entire community, for your neighbors, for your friends. We've lost too many people in this community to date, and we don't need to lose any more. So I plead with you and ask you, be a leader in this community. Stand up for vaccination. Do what we can to protect our community, our neighbors, our friends, and our loved ones from this pandemic. We've made a lot of progress. We still have more to go, and I'm really asking for your support because it takes all of us. We can't do it alone in the hospital. They can't do it alone in public health. It's really how we all come together to care for ourselves, our neighbors, and our families that is going to make the difference. Thank you very much.